In September 2016, the body of Junior Jermaine was found inside the living room of prominent attorney Patrick Bailey. The house is located in Barbican, St. Andrew, and Mr. Jermaine's body reportedly had several stab wounds and a gunshot wound to the head. Opposition spokesman on national security Fix Jackson outlines concerns about the investigation of that murder so far.
I have been bombarded with concerns expressed about major crime like murder. That gentleman who was murdered in Barbican over a year ago, murdered on Barbican Road. We all know it was in the house of a prominent Jamaican, very much connected with the political leadership of this country. Someone murdered. And from all the police reports up to now, nothing has been concluded.
The Gleaner reported in February last year that the police identified suspects in the murder of Mr. Jermaine.
Mr. Speaker, I had the opportunity to meet with the brother of the gentleman who was murdered. He went to the media. I read the reports. And I saw an audience with him. And the gentleman expressed his distress, is giving up on Jamaica. Because in his own words, some people not going to get justice in this country. This is a real situation. We get up and we tell the country about how serious we are about crime and violence and murder. But in a case where somebody was murdered in a house, where from the police report there was no forced entry, and over 1 year, no one is arrested, no one is charged, and rumors abound.
Mr. Jackson adds that the culture of silence is doing more harm than good.
We believe that if we keep quiet, don't say nobody knows, and it just go away. People know these things, and they see it happen, and that's why they lose trust in us, all of us, and they lose faith in the system. That is at the heart of it, and that's why I say many of the times we are being hypocritical in this place, because we know those things to be true, but because of who it is we keep quiet, and the rest of the country know. That's where the hypocrisy lies.
National Security Minister Robert Montague reminded Mr. Jackson about separating the role of policymakers and those in charge of the operations of the security forces.
I am a little surprised that the member is now calling upon us to take a more active stance in an active ongoing investigation.
While we talk about the importance of fighting crime and violence, if we are not prepared to face something straight up and call a spade and change our ways, we are going nowhere.
Andrea Chisholm.
Xaymaca, unity, them if you know a straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters, let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.